All right, got my wheels and tires all mounted up finally. Some Enkeis, matte bronze, and some General Tire G-Max RS tires. So we go ahead and get these on my car. Actually went with the Autel TPMS sensors that I cloned from my OEM sensors, so I don't have to get the car actually reprogrammed to not give me a sensor light. And have a video on that as well. I'll probably post up right before this video or right after. And we'll go ahead and get these mounted up and see how they look. I don't have my suspension in place yet, but that should be fine. I'm gonna put the coilovers and my SuperPro suspension parts on hopefully sometime in the next few weeks. So we'll go from there. All right, gonna go ahead and get these stock 18s off. I'm gonna go ahead and weigh them with the tire at 33 pounds. And then I'm gonna do a quick comparison, weigh them against one of these Enkei TS5 18 by 9.5 wheels with the tire, also at 33 pounds. And see if there's any weight difference. I know the other tire is a little bit worn down for the tread life, but maybe they're the same, maybe they're equal, maybe these are heavier because they're wider. We'll go ahead and see. All right, we got the Enkei TS5 with the General Tire G-Max RS is on next to the stock worn out tire. Dunlop Sport Maxes with the stock 18 rim. I believe they're 8-inch wide. And you definitely tell there's definitely some more meat on the new setup. I'm gonna go ahead and see what these things weigh. All right, got the stock wheel here on the package scale. Holding it with one finger. Looks like about, that's moving around a little bit here. About 50 pounds. So I'd say 50, just a 50.2, 50. All right, got the Enkei TS5 on here with the 265, 35, 18s, and one finger looks like about 47.5 pounds. So it's actually about 2.5 pounds lighter, even though about 1.5 inches wider rim, I believe, and a significantly meatier tire. Has more tread, so I'm sure losing the tread on the stocker over here may have cost a few ounces, but yeah, it's definitely a little bit lighter. Nothing crazy, but it's pretty good that it is lighter, even though it's a fatter rim. So that's pretty cool. I'll go ahead and get this mounted up. Car's been sitting for a few days. The old rotors are looking pretty rusty, and the calipers I'm going to be cleaning up and painting black here relatively soon. And the suspension will be completely different here soon, so hopefully in a few weeks, if I can get an alignment and not actually wear my tires out unevenly. All right, got the first wheel on. I got some of these lug nuts here, Muteki I guess it is. Hub symmetric rings, which snapped in and fit perfectly. I got the Enkei center caps. Got my torque wrench here. I think it's 88 or 89 pounds torque. I just rounded up to 90 and call it good. I'm gonna go ahead and torque these down and then see how they look. Wheel is on. Enkei TS5s with the Muteki lug nuts, sub-centric ring, and the General G-Max RS tires, 265, 35, 18s. The wheel is 9.5 with the 38mm offset. I got some crazy wheel gap going on right here. I mean, these are, damn, that's pretty big. So hopefully this will be taken care of when I put my coilovers on in a week or two. Full suspension, getting redone, the whole deal. So this quick comparison. With the stock. So a little bit different. I like the bronze with the black. My car did just get shit on and it's been sitting for a few days, so it's a bit dirty. Hopefully I'm gonna get this cleaned up. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish these all 4 wheels, take a quick look at it and then wrap it up. Definitely got some wheel gap. I drove around the block, but coilovers and suspension stuff should get rid of all this. So quick spin around here.